Hello everyone. So for this week's video, we're doing a video on the pet rock we chose. So this picture right here is the rock I chose, and by looking at this rock, you probably already know what it is. And it's a very popular rock in the state of Michigan, and most Michiganians know what this rock is. The rock I chose for this video is very known in the state of Michigan and is known as the Petoskey Rock. The Petoskey Rock is a sedimentary rock. It is known to be found in Petoskey, Michigan, or the northern part of Michigan, in the UP or upper, where the Petoskey is in northern Michigan. So this rock is a sedimentary rock, and the rock is mixed between limestone and fossil. So it's mixed between rock and fossil, and the actual stone or rock is actually limestone, and then it just has fossils that were picked up with that. So the Petoskey rock actually has a hardness of around 3 on the MOHS scale. And this is because one, limestone is already by itself a softer rock and already has a softer hardness or a lower hardness scale, but it's also mixed with the fossils, and fossils are pretty fragile as well since they're old. Um, this rock is clastic since it is made out of limestone, and limestone is a clastic rock. Um, it's clastic due to weathering. It is mixed between rock and fossil, so for those things two to mix it, it has to be clastic. And this happens to glaciation, which happened during the Ice Age a long time ago. Um, and the rock has a very small grain size with about 0.001 millimeters, which makes particles microscopic. Thanks for watching.